Alright, here's my big Sambar stag. There you go. Hopefully you can get a good look at him there. He'd be about, he's thick, he's heavy. Hope that the camera gets it all. No, he's an absolute ripper. Saw him come out of the tea tree. Sort of saw a couple of legs and waited. It was about 50 metres away. Shot him straight to the chest. Followed up a bloodstream and yeah, that was it. Followed him up and lost it for a bit, but then found him lying here. He's an absolute corker. My best to date. I'll try and get a few pictures now.